Hey guys, it's John Muldoon from setupwp.com with another WordPress tutorial video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact form on your blog. So if you've been following along, I've shown you through the how to start a blog guide, how to sign up for hosting, install WordPress, do a little WordPress housekeeping, install a very nice WordPress theme, some plugins, create new posts and pages, and manage your widgets and menus. And the site I've created as a demo is startablogdemo.com. But I'm actually going to show you how to install this contact form on my setupwp site because I haven't created a contact form here yet. And this is one case where we're going to use a premium plugin. It's probably the only premium plugin that I recommend using. And premium plugin just means that it costs money. In this case, the plugin is called Gravity Forms. It's currently $40. Yeah, I have the developer's license, but you can get a personal license for $40, which is a really good deal if you want a contact form plugin that just works right out of the box. It also has a lot of great features. I'm not going to actually sell you on it, but if you want to go check out the features page, you can see it can do a lot more than just build contact forms. You can use it for surveys or to collect payments and sell products and that kind of thing. But anyway, I'm going to jump into the plugins area on my setupwp.com site, and you can see I've already got Gravity Forms installed, and I've got this contact page where I want to add a form. So to create a new form, I'm just going to go in the WordPress dashboard and click on Forms, and then click on Add New. We're going to give our form a title. And just to be clear, this title, you have the option of having it display on the page where you put the form. So make it something like Contact Me or whatever your form is for. Give it a title that's descriptive. And I'm also going to give it a form description, and this is another field that you can display on the page where your form shows up, but you don't have to. So I'm going to give it a description as though readers are going to see it. All right, just a little description. Now I'm going to click Create Form. And they have a built-in tutorial that shows you how to use it, but I'm just going to ignore that and walk you through what I'm going to do for this form. I'm going to go down to the Advanced Fields and click on the Name field. And you can see now we have our form preview over here, and we've got first name and last name. That looks good to me. I also want to collect people's email address, so I'm going to click on Email, and it creates this email field. I'm going to click the drop down so I can expand it and edit some of the options for the form field. In this case, I just want to make this field required. I don't want people submitting this form without an email address because I want to be able to make sure I can respond to everyone. I'm also going to make the first and last name field required. You can see there are a ton of other different fields. You can create post fields or pricing fields if you want to use Gravity Forms to sell a product. I'm just going to go to the standard fields and choose paragraph text. This allows people to add a short paragraph worth of text. In this case, I just want them to be able to submit a message to me. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click to edit the title because I don't want it to say untitled. I'm going to have the field label say your message. And then we can add a description. You can set a maximum number of characters so people don't send you huge messages in here. I'm not going to bother doing that, but you have the option. And I'm not going to make this required. If people just want to submit the form field with their first name, last name, and email, that's fine. I probably won't write you back, but I'm going to leave that unrequired just to show you that you can do that. So I'm going to click Update Form. And now I'm going to go into the form settings because I want to set the notification settings. So currently we have an admin notification because you want to make sure you get notified whenever somebody submits your form. So I'm just going to click to edit the admin notification. And in this case, I'm going to have it send an email to the admin email for the WordPress site. And I want the from name on the email that I get to be the first name and then the last name from the form submission. That way when I reply, it'll send the message to the person with their first name and last name in the to field. I'm also going to change the from email to make it from the email address from whoever submitted the form. And I'm going to set the reply to address to be the email address from whoever submitted the form. The subject line is going to be new submission from contact us form. And I'm going to have all the fields sent to me in the message. And that's it. I'm just going to click update notification. And now your form is completely set up and ready to go. It's time to embed it in your page. So I'm going to jump over to the contact page on the Setup WP site. You can see right now it just says, let's add a nice contact form here. That's obviously just temporary text. I'm going to click to edit the page. And now I'm in the page editor, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to embed this form because we use Gravity Forms. I'm going to just delete this text here. And I'm going to click Add Form. I'm going to choose not to display the form title, but I will display the form description, and I'm going to enable Ajax. That's just a fancy animation that shows up when people submit the form. We also have to select a form. It's going to be the Contact Me form. So I'm going to insert the form, and that's what it looks like. It's just this little short code. And when we click Update and go back and refresh that page, you'll see that the fancy form we just created is on the page. Okay, the page has been updated. Now I'm going to refresh. Okay, we refresh the page and you can see we've got this really nice contact form here. And out of the box, Gravity Forms look great on StudioPress themes because StudioPress includes some code specifically for Gravity Forms. So we've got a name field, first name, last name, email, and your message. And if people submit this, they can send a message to me and I'll get it in my inbox. So that's how you create a contact form on your blog. For more great WordPress tutorials, head to setupwp.com and click on the How to Start a Blog link. I'll have more videos there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.